Federal authorities say they have busted up a sex trafficking ring based here in the Twin Cities. They say these 29 people are behind the ring that forced girls as young as 12 to have sex for money and drugs. The girls were allegedly taken from here in the Twin Cities and then brought to Columbus, Ohio and Nashville, Tennessee. Reg Chapman spoke with members of the Somali American community who say the accusations are upsetting.
I seen the list and I'm really disappointed.
Many stunned, some even angry that girls as young as 12 were forced into sex acts over a 10-year period. 29 people have been indicted, accused of sex trafficking of juveniles.
It's a failure. They failed the community.
Mahamoud Tariq is chief editor of Barta Maha, a Somali language news website. He says news of human trafficking in the community has many wanting answers and looking for help.
What we need to know right now is who we should talk to, how can we educate. Parents need to get education and find out ABC what to do and how to do it.
Muhammad Kali says religious leaders have been talking with parents for months.
Mosque, the imams already made a speech. They talk about this issue. They said this is the problem and this is unacceptable, and they talk about what our religion stands for this issue.
According to Islam, this is forbidden.
Imam Abdigani Ali says no Muslim condones this type of activity or behavior. He says it was the elders who first brought the concern. Police. Now 17 people in the Twin Cities are in custody, 9 in Tennessee, and 3 are still on the streets.
It's very unethical and unlawful, and it's very shame to hear this kind of news, especially in the Somali community. On top of that, in the Muslim community.
Right, says many in the Somali lack of resources for young people is one reason some get into the sex trade. Others are intimidated and afraid for their lives and the lives of their families.
والله kuwaasi waa libaxyaal because waxay u fakereen oo arkeen naagaha Soomaalida silkooda inuusan qiimo lahayn, meel kasta daadsan yahay. Wariyaa ninka madowga uusan for free kuwa sooriyaa. Wariyaa waa lagu raaligeliyaa, adigana sil laguma siiyo. Wariyaa ma fahantay? Marka wariyaa maskaxa waa inay silkan la iibiyo, lacag lagala soo dhexbaxa. Wariyaa haddii kala jarar iyo balaayo iyo qashin baa usayo. Fiidiyooga kale aan sameeyey fiiri dhocolaha Soomaalida oo Jamaico gus daraadis Jamaico u tagay fiiri. Wariyaa marka maxaa ku diidantaa wariyaa inay dhocolaha intii Jamaica aadi lahayn silkooda lacag laga faa'iido. Wariyaa raggeedii waaye waxa wax iibiyo. Adduunyada meel kastoo aad joogtaan sil Soomaali iibiya saacad $5, $3, $2 waxaa rabtiin ka dhigta. Waraa iina baashaalo.